back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm here with
Josh!
So today we're gonna be doing drum roll, please, and the snacks challenge. So this is all of the snacks we're gonna try. We never tried them before, just to let you know. So yeah, we're gonna be rating them and telling you if this is pretty good.
Let's get started!
So first, we're gonna try strawberry Laffy Taffy. So here. So it basically really hurts my teeth, but I would give it like a 7.
Sour.
So this is Laffy Taffy number 2. It's banana. Banana. Okay, so yeah.
It's nice.
Three, two, 1. How's the garbage can? I'm giving it a 2. I don't
What?
like it. Yeah, I hate banana flavored stuff. I really hate banana flavored stuff. So next are these rain balls, yummy, chewy, fruity, sour candies. I don't think you can see it, but whatever. No, not that sour. I got the first is a bit sour, but then just tastes like a gummy bear. Okay, so this is a chocolate bar. Brilliant time. So I would give it like a 9. I would give it a 10, but like I just want to give it a 9.
Actually, it was really good. Next is
Sour time. These candies say they're sour, but they're actually not that sour. Rating time. I'll give this like a 7. Okay, so this is my sister's favorite chocolate. We never tried it. Basically a chocolate log. I never heard of a chocolate log before, but yeah. It tastes like regular milk chocolate.
Yeah, that's actually cool.
Lastly, we have this caramel white chocolate Kit Kat version. I would give it like probably like a 3, cause no 4, cause I like Kit Kats.
Me too.
But I thought this was gonna taste much more different.
Yeah.
Actually, really just tastes the same. So that's it for this week's video. I hope you liked this video, and see you guys hopefully next week. Bye.